My name's Riley.
And we're going to do the cat food challenge. Okay. Okay.
Ready?
No. No. Okay.
If you're gonna do it, do it.
I'm gonna die.
You're not gonna die. All right, on your mark.
Somebody go.
So which one's going first?
Riley. No, her. No, Riley.
Oldest. Go.
No.
No!
Riley, please. Okay. Can we just do 3?
3.
No. Okay. Can we get a water bottle and do it? Like, drink it and then.
Did they eat any? Alright, do you want Veronica, do you want to finish this and I go rent movies? Or are you good with what you
I
have?
don't care. Are you going?
Did you even eat it?
No, she spit it all out.
Okay, I'll do it again.
You gotta chew it up and eat it.
Yeah.
Do we have to swallow
Yeah,
it?
you took one kibble, that ain't worth shit.
Knock it off.
Who?
You.
Well,
Oh, I'm gonna be sick. Come on, Wawa. Are you doing it or not?
Yeah. Can I take one piece?
No.
Let me see the water.
There you go.
No more Veronica.
They wanted to do it. I can't help it that they're weirdos. What does it taste like?
Rotten fish.
Ew. Well, it's cat food.
No.
You can throw up?